Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're going to keep working in Pro Tools and we're going to be demonstrating how to apply volume automation in Pro Tools. So here we have a session. I have three guitar parts. Okay, guitar 1 and guitar 2 are, I guess you could say, rhythm tracks, and then we have a guitar 3, which is kind of like a lead. So if we listen to it, it kind of sounds like this. Now we have all three. Okay, so let's say that we're mixing, right? And we need to apply volume automation to make the levels or the position of the faders move accordingly. So this is something that you do a lot during mixing, okay? So what I want to do here, in order to demonstrate how to apply volume automation, I'm going to go ahead and apply volume automation to this guitar 3 track, which is our lead track, in order to create kind of a fade-in effect, okay? Kind of like if we had the fader, right? If we had the fader like down here, and then we pushed it up, so it'll gradually come into the mix, right? So we want to do that. Now, how do you do that? How do you do the volume automation? Well, first of all, we need to go ahead and on the track that we're going to apply the automation, you want to go here where it says waveform and switch that to volume, okay? The volume view. So now you see there's this line here, that's an automation line. Okay, so that basically tells you where your level is as far as the fader. If we click on it, we can see right now it's set to 0. But if I pull it down like that, you can see it's set to -21. So if you see the fader, boom, it is at -21. Now we don't want to do that like that. We want to create kind of like a fade in. So what we're going to do, we're going to create automation points. Okay. So how do you do that? Well, you can add a point here on this line, on this automation line, by doing Command click if you're in a Mac, or Control click if you're in a PC. So we hold the command, as I said, Command and then click, or Control click if you're in a PC, and the automation point is going to be created. Now we're going to create another one like around here, right? Like around the middle. Okay. We're going to create one more. Well, that's it. 1 and 2. So basically, once you have those two automation points created, you can simply click and drag down. So as we can see, when this track starts, it's going to start at around -20, and then it's going to gradually go up until it gets to around 0, and then it'll stay there that way. So we're basically, what we're doing here, we're automating the level, okay, of that track. You also want to make sure that when you do this, you are here in read mode. So when you play back, that automation will happen. Okay, so let's give it a shot. Let's go ahead and press play and see what happens. Okay. It's gradually coming in. You can see the fader. And there it is. You can see it's at 0. We can do this even more drastically by making this level at the end actually higher, like kind of like that. So it'll go from -20 or -20.5 up to +8. So it's a big difference there. So let's hear it. So it gradually comes in, very gradual, but very subtle. And there it is. There you go. So as I said before, very simple. You want to make sure that you go here on your track, you go to your volume view, you create your automation points, you drag them accordingly, make sure you're in read mode, and you press play, and that's how you create your volume automation in Pro Tools. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA and PC Audio Labs, and we're going to be happy to help you. We will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using All of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.